Alright, starting instructions on your brush cutter. You will see we've got a on and off switch on the handlebar. We've got 3 levers here. We've got 1, 2, 3. So that's number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3. So this actually acts like almost like a throttle control. When you start your vehicle, you'll normally use your foot to give some gas. But because your 2 hands are going to be operated on the engine side, you won't be able to give gas or to pull down your throttle cable. So that's why we incorporate the 1, 2, 3 switch. It works as follows. This is 1. Press down 1, press down 2, press down 3, leave 1 and 2, and then you leave 3. So that will keep down the throttle. So it's 1, 2, 3, leave 1 and 2, leave 3. Okay, the next move, we'll move over to our choke. Any 2-stroke machine needs to be choked. As you can zoom in here, that looks like a little gate. So there the gates are open, and the top one the gates are closed. Remember this little nursery rhyme? Close the gate for cold starting. Alright, so now my choke is closed. That's gates open, that's running. Close the gate for cold starting. You'll see at the bottom there's a little primer bulb. So I prime it a few times and you can actually see the fuel pass through the carburetor back to the engine. So now you know there's enough fuel in the carburetor to start it. Okay, it's choked. It's switched on. We've got a 1, 2, 3 switch going. Now the next important thing when starting anything that works with this mechanism, with a rope mechanism, this we call a recoil starter. All the parts in a recoil starter, hence it be a chainsaw, a water pump, a normal engine, there's a lot of plastic wearing parts on the inside of a recoil starter. So normally the people, they'll start this machine like this, or any recoil thing, they'll chuck on it. That's wrong. You're going to have pre-failure on the plastic parts on the inside. So what we need to do, we first need to take up. You'll see there's nothing happening. You'll hear a click sound. Now the engine, now the recoil only grabbed the engine. Alright, so now it's tight. Now it's on a compression stroke. So now from here, we can give it a nice pull. Okay, so the wrong way to do it is to step on the machine with your foot and try to start it now. You'll see this is the end of the length of rope on your recoil starter. So the chances being you start it like this, that you're going to reach the end of the rope on the rope reel and you're going to break the rope reel. So the right way to do it, we will bend our backs. We'll put some nice pressure on the machine. Remember this thing has got a lot of compression. So if you're not going to hold it tight on the ground and you're going to aim, you're going to try to pull it, it's going to go out of your hand grip. So put nice weight on the machine with your left hand, your right hand, grip the handle grip nice and tight. You take up that loose slack, we take the loose slack up, and now only we can give it a nice pull. Now when we're going to try to start it, remember the choke is, now it's choked, the gate is closed. Your machine can do one of 2 things. Number 1, we call it fire 1, so you will hear the engine go prr, and it will die. Then we need to open the choke, then we're going to pull it again, then the machine will fire and run. The other scenario is it's choked, you will pull it, it will fire and run. Remember now to open the choke. Right, so let's see what it does now. Okay, so we will switch it on. We do the 1, 2, 3 switch. We leave 1 and 2. We come on this side. We will choke it. Close the gate for cold starting. It's been primed. Okay, press down on the machine. Grab the recoil. Take up the slack. Let's pull it. Let's see. you've got a centrifugal clutch at the back. Your clutch is going to open, close, open, close, open, close. You're going to have excessive wear on your clutch and your clutch drum system. So when you operate the machine, 80%, 100%, that's the throttle, where the throttle must be. Then you know all your fuel is burning, all your oil is burning out in your fuel. Let's come back to the, you will see, remember this is a 2-stroke, so it says gas plus oil. So our ratio with our Husky oil that is available from Turfmaster, it's 5 liters of fuel plus 200 mils of Husky 2-stroke oil. Just make sure you always use our oil just for longevity of your machine.